Hello, this is Pat Cahill from Pat Cahill Metalworks, and today I thought we would make a pretty simple ring, call it a shield ring, and basically what it is an oval, any size oval you want, and tabs to go around the finger on each side. I've tapered each one of these tabs because I like the look of that a little bit better. And what I've done, and I guess you just saw, I melted silver on top of copper and left, a very dendritic, almost like a reticulated silver look to it. So that'll give the ring some interest. So now I'm trying to find what I think would be the best spot to put this. You want to show off your best option here, I think right there. Okay, so now I'm going to cut out my ring, saw it out, and we'll go from there. This is a simple little project, but it's a nice way to make a ring, and it's a unique ring, and I think you'll like it. So let me do the sawing off camera. I think you've seen me saw enough, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so there it has been cut out, and now I'm just going to sort of even out the sides, or smooth out the sides from the saw mark, and I'm going to bevel or put a curve on the end of the tabs here, go around the finger so that it's more comfortable. Any sharp points on your finger, that's for sure. Make sure that's nice and even. Okay, so there we have it, and now I even want to go a little bit smoother even. So I'm going to sand these edges, get them nice and smooth. And I can also go over to the buffer and polish them to really make them nice and smooth. And I'll probably do that, but you still want to start out with a relatively smooth thing before you bring it over to the buffer. That squeak. Sorry. Alright, so I'm going to finish this up. Bring it over to the buffer to really smooth off the edges, and then I'll get set up for the next step. See ya in a minute. Okay, so we have it all smoothed out. And now all you have to do is just use our ring mandrel, shape it round it off in the shape of a ring. That's pretty much all there is to it. Do the sides first. These look a little off center, but we can fix that. What we want is just a nice round ring. And that looks pretty good. I think it needs some adjustments. Let me get a pair of pliers. Okay, so what I'm doing is just bringing it so that they're both in line with one another, and then we're hammering it again. Yeah. That happens sometimes. Now you can have these things meet, this portion right here, and solder it. And I do that pretty much most of the time actually. But I find that it's just so, people really don't know what size of ring they take when it comes to these shield rings, I call them. And this way, there's quite a bit of adjustment that is able to be done to make it fit. So it could fit, it fits me here, but it can go a lot smaller. We can bring it down. You can even do that by hand. And now it's, well, you know, I'm not the best hand model in the world, but yeah. So you can adjust it. So let me do any final touches I want to do. I'll bring it back over to the bench and show you what we have in the end. And hopefully show you some other ones too. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the finished product. It's a nice, easy little ring, but it's unique. So I've also put on a couple other ones that I've done. This one is sterling silver, where I've fused little spirals of gold onto it. The same effect here, but I did it with fine silver fused, and then I oxidized it. And these rings are they're closed in the back. Oh, you're not seeing anything. Okay, so here we go. Spirals and closed in the back. Which makes a nice ring. On a nice hand it would look a lot better. I have jeweler's hands, so what are you gonna do? And this one, again, closed in the back, oxidized with spirals, so this is very similar. And then the one we made today, which is a simple one, what we made with the melted silver on top of copper. And there you have it. Shield rings. Easy little project to do, and it's a pretty nice, unique ring, and you should try it. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again sometime. Bye.